Twitter has implemented a new work from home policy. They're allowing their employees to work from home forever as a result of this virus. Silicon Valley has already been taking advanced steps back as far as February to allow their distributed teams to work and limit exposure to this virus. This is a good signal for Twitter because one of the biggest struggles of business is the overhead and office space. If Twitter were to abandon its office space, this could lead to a great cost-cutting measure to not only make the company more flush with capital, to help this really viable product that has hundreds of millions of active users on it a month to really take it to the next level. This is a ripple in the future of work because working from home is the new way of doing business in this new economy. It just makes business sense and it saves sense. So look out for more companies in this space and outside of tech that are going to adopt this business model. We've already been a remote company for a number of years, and it's allowed us to fulfill thousands of clients and talk to thousands of different people in so many different countries. It's hard to keep track of. The internet is an amazing thing, so we should all embrace it. And I look forward to seeing more news about Twitter since they're taking this gigantic leap in their business. Thanks for watching. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day I'm publishing videos on growth hacking, digital marketing, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I really want to enable you to become a decision maker in your own business in the future of work. So if you want to come along with me on this journey, hit subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll talk to you real soon.